Get started with Metasteps 3D Builder. Click Create Space on your account page to load the 3D Builder and choose your approach. Option 1. Build your custom space. Use the wall tool to shape your space in any direction to create the external and the internal layout of your space. You can add doors and windows to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Do you need more space? You can add up to 3 levels. Position a staircase from the ground to the upper level to help your visitors navigate your space seamlessly and start building the layout of your space on the first level. You can adjust the entry point at any time, which sets where visitors begin navigating the space. Alternatively, you can select a pre-made space from our high-quality collection of space templates to jumpstart your virtual project. All pre-made spaces are fully customizable, and some spaces come in flexible sizes. Ready to move on? Go to Step 2 to design and decorate your space.